Yes, it's on. Hi, guys. Merry Christmas. Watch me decorate. How about that? That's fine. Listen, Russell crew. Here I am at the Russell party in the Russell bathroom with Russell Bird. Finish out 2021 and through 2022. Russell Bird's gonna kick it with me. Yeah. Ben's my little cheerleader in the bathroom. Don't worry about it. Fucking fly over here. See what's happening over here.
So go for it. What do we do?
All right. Number 1, what are you grateful for?
What did I say the first time? Oh, my lifelong friends. I am very fortunate that I have a handful. And when I say lifelong, I mean like 50 years or more.
So it's fine. Oh, don't do that.
Okay.
What are you grateful for?
I'm very grateful for my friends and my family and the endless support that I've had from all of them, especially this year in a time of need. So.
Mackie, can you tell me something that makes you happy? What is something that makes you happy?
Building my family.
Building with your family?
Riley, what makes you happy?
Well,
That. Yeah. Okay, Becca, what are you grateful for?
Oh, I'm grateful for my big family and how supportive they've been.
Tyler, what are you grateful for?
I'm pretty grateful for these 3 girls. Yeah.
Aw. Say a little Russell Bird. All right, Dad. Hi. What are you grateful for?
That you didn't lose your whole nail.
Oh my God, isn't it gross?
Well, hopefully it's not much different than anybody else's. My family.
Good one. basic. Just kidding. And Lori, what are you grateful for?
Family, of course, everybody.
Oh.
Everybody that takes my family, my friends, people I work with. It's just been a lot of people that have been very supportive, that are supportive and take care of me whether they want to or not, and I appreciate that.
Mm-hmm. Round up.
So, I'm grateful for my family and friends and for them always being there for me and helping me whenever I need it.
What am I grateful for? Being alive. That's something. Thankful for all the support I get for, school and such.
What are you grateful for? I'm grateful for my family, my friends, some of my professors.
Not your current Italian professor.
Oh, Franco? Nope. I always want to yell at him.
You're grateful for
Yeah.
traveling to Italy this summer and spending a month in
Oh yeah, I'm grateful for that woman who let me stay at her house in that 1 month. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for I don't know, Sicily being amazing. I don't know.
Okay.
And I'm grateful for my mom for helping me. And yeah, that's it.
So Shannon, I'm grateful for my family and my health, and just continuing to be able to live a good life and support my family.
So, what am I grateful for? Oh man. Everyone has said all the good stuff.
They have. They've taken it all.
Friends. I am so happy we have chosen to really have a strong family and also strong friends to support us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I guess that's just everyone said that, but it's really important to me.
I'm 9 years sober today. That's all.
What are you grateful for?
Family.
Beckett, do you want to go?
Yes.
Okay, what are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for you.
Aw, stop. That was so sweet. And Michael, what are you grateful for?
These people.
These humans. And Shelby, last but not least, what are you grateful for?
Getting to take these guys on a couple awesome vacations this year.
Okay, what I'm grateful for. Well, before I say that, welcome everybody to the Russell Party 2022. Yes, another good year to celebrate with everybody. What I'm grateful for is my wonderful family and friends, and getting out in nature every day, and to have my daily to-do list. In just a second. I have it right here.
You know where the lists come from, don't you? No?
You?
Yeah, Alla.
Oh, all right.
She makes a list for us every weekend or day?
Weekend.
I thought it was weekend.
So, my to-do list for today: count my blessings, practice kindness, let go of what I can't control, listen to my heart and be productive yet calm and just. And then this is something that I found. I see you. I see your strength and courage, your hesitations and fears. I see the way you love others and your struggle to love yourself. I see how hard you work to grow and your dedication to heal. I see your vulnerability and humanity and your can you just edit that out? And then just say, I see you and I love you. I love what I see. I see, edit that out.
Oh, jeez.
Beep, beep.
And I love what I see. Okay. Then and I'm doing more than one.
I see that.
So my third one is, and in the end, all that she had to give was herself. And this was more than enough.
Oh, that's a good one.
I love all my Russell family and friends.
Aw, thanks, Aunt Chrissy. Uncle Bob. Oh,
Excuse me.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Can you go back to the staying with the best person that brings something out on you? I really like that.
Stay connected to the person that brings the best out of you.
Yeah.
Okay, stay connected to
the
Excuse me. The person.
The person that brings you
Brings the best.
brings the best out of you.
You're gonna have a lot of editing in this one, Miss Shannon.
I like that one. I like
do
that
too.
one.
Guess what? There's no editing. I'm just kidding. There is, but not gonna do it.
Start over.
All right.
Oh, there's no editing?
Gosh, you guys are making me work for this.
Let Shannon.
Is it my turn?
No.
No.
No, we're gonna ask Uncle Bump. Uncle Bump, what are you grateful for?
Okay, Uncle Bump. I'm grateful for the life that Aunt Chrissy and I have made together, for the ups and downs and accomplishments that we have accomplished together.
Aunt Julie, where'd you go?
She's gone.
She's gone.
Oh! Mine's 42 years. Okay.
What are you grateful for, Aunt Julie?
Excuse me?
What are you grateful for?
I am grateful for all my family and my extended family and all the people that I teach each day that makes me smile.
Mhm.
That's a good one. Ooh.
Right.
That just came out. That makes me smile. Just in case you come back to me. Okay.
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 I love pie.
Hi.
Hey, babe, your turn. Oh. What are you grateful for?
You and our puppies.
That's me. Sweet.
What are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for the life that I am able to live and being surrounded by you and all your love and the puppies and my family.
Life.